Today I'm going to make a video to create a PlayPosit that is embedded in Schoology. So this video is going to start off. We're in Schoology. We're going to first go to Add Materials, and then we're going to Add File, Link, External Tool, and then we're going to go to External Tool. At the top, we're going to pick PlayPosit in the drop-down, picking our tool provider. Here you can select a title. And we can enable grading if you want the results from this video to go into the gradebook. And by selecting that, then you can select your date, your time that it's due, your category. Since we're in a sandbox class, there's no categories. So now that has been submitted. You can see on the right margin, it says PlayPosit Trial 1. But we didn't make a video and we didn't make any questions yet. So it goes to the bottom since I just created it to go in the bottom. So now we're going to select PlayPosit Trial 1. And once it starts to load up, you get this black screen that it looks like you didn't do something right, just because we didn't put the video or the questions in yet. So if you go to Set Bulb Link, the bulb is PlayPosit word for the video and questions, that combination of material together. Or you can just go directly to the web page. We've been advised from PlayPosit to go to Set Bulb Link. So these are some bulbs that I've already created. But if we're going to add a new bulb, so I want a brand new video, brand new questions, go to the top button there. So right away, it just gives you a little factoid, and we can enter the designer to design what we're looking for. So from here, you can have a video that's already on your computer. You can put in a URL. You can have an MP4 already on the computer, YouTube video, and depending on your access level to PlayPosit or your whatever you're looking for. Some are grayed out because we don't have access to those. Most people go to YouTube. So if I go to YouTube and I select a video, so I am selecting one of the teachers here that makes his own videos, and I can't find them, so we'll just take this first video for the sake of argument. So this is the video I've selected. Here's the title, and we can select done. Okay, so I am going to stop the video now, and then I'm going to upload this video into a PlayPosit, and I'm going to put questions into it to see if you know the steps to make a PlayPosit video.